Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to renew your work permit in Canada. So first you'll need to have an IRCC secure account. If you don't have one yet, I'll drop the link to create an account in the description below. So assuming you already have an account, so go ahead and log in. Once you're logged in, scroll down and click start an application, then select apply to come to Canada. And then you'll be asked eligibility questions which help determine if you're eligible for a work permit renewal, or for example, you'll need to choose if you're planning to work in Canada, how long you'll stay, and your immigration status. So next, it will show you your result. If you need to extend your work permit, it will confirm that. And after this, you'll proceed by clicking continue. And then you'll need to answer a few more questions about your work situation, health, and whether you have a required documents. So this includes providing your job offer letter and proof that you meet the job's requirements. So once everything is good, the system will give you a document checklist. Fill out and upload the form IMM 5710 and any other required documents like your passport photo and job details. And after that, you'll upload the documents into the portal and pay your application fee. So after submitting, you'll get an email acknowledging that your application is received, and the current processing time for a work permit renewal is around 237 days. So be patient. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides like this.